Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shave den and it's time for another shave today. I'm jazzed to bring a few more products on board to the shave den, and I'll be trying them for the first time today. I have tried in the past from Timeless Razor. I have tried quite a few of their razors, but today we are going to be trying the bronze model. I'm just reading the back there. Made in the USA. Here's your packaging you get. Get a little cleaning swab, some instructions. Warning, razor blades are sharp. You can cut yourself. Get a card. And here is the bronze razor. Let me show you this. Optional, the stand with or without. Here's the razor. It is a solid bar and it is a mild razor. So there you have it. We're going to be trying this out for the first time today on video. Actually, first time I've ever tried this model. Let me put away these. Then from Denton Majik soaps, I have Pink Floyd. Now it's kind of cool. I like this smaller soap container simply because if you have a lot of them, it doesn't take up as much room. Now, you're not going to be able to lather up with this. You'll have to put it into a bowl, but I like the size of that container. And this is Pink Floyd, and that's Floyd the Barber, if you know him from the Andy Griffith Show. And Pink Floyd scent is an homage to Pinaud Clubman Musk scent. I think I have the regular Pinaud. So and this is a homage to the Musk. Dang, very, 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 very close to the original scent, and I like this little bottle. Again, a little smaller than the usual bottles, so a little easier to store. I'm going to be using I'm going to have to use a shave bowl, so I'm going to use a Timeless Razor shave bowl today, and I've got their shaving cloth to wipe my face afterwards. Oh, and I was going to show you, I picked up solid silver. This is the 2-pound King Charles 2-pound coin, solid silver. It's 1 ounce. And I was going to start using that to put the soap in, but that'll tarnish like crazy. I'll probably just carry that in my pocket for good luck. So to put the soap in, I'm going to be using the 50-pence piece, the old original Queen Elizabeth on the back. And I'm going to be using for the second time the Willys blade. I was very, very pleasantly surprised with the Willys blades, and I'm going to be using that in the razor. So shall we get the shave started? All right. Oh, this is nice and heavy. There you go on the back. There's the lid or the cap. You put the blade there. Blade is on the cap. There's the base plate. Looks like gold right now. Now it will, oh, and it's got the bushing there. So I'm gonna leave the bushing. Oh, it locks in place really nice. And this is nice and heavy. All the specs for these products you will find in the description of this video. There is a blade overhang. A lot of you like that. I like that because I can hang onto the blade and the cap at the same time, and I don't have to worry about whoops or anything. So, but there you can see there's a bit of a blade overhang. But man, it sure does look nice and shiny right now. Oh, and they're Timeless on the bottom. All right. So I'm going to put some soap into the shave. Oh, and I'm going to be using, I better put this in the crystal skull right now. I've got the Kensurfs 2019 Summer Edition brush. Good news for me, The DS Cosmetic has come out with a 2023 brush. They're shipping me 4 of them. 2 of them I'm going to give away in a giveaway. And they'll be available for purchase, but I'll be giving away 2 of them as soon as they come, and I'm looking forward to trying them out. So 2023 is on the way. I'm going to use 2019 today. It's a nice big badger brush. Here we go. California, huh? Earthquakes, wildfires, hurricane. Hurricane Hilary is going to hit California. I've got a cyclone warning today. It's Friday evening. I've got a cyclone warning and a high surf advisory warning. So we're gonna get some good rain. I don't know if it's going to be hurricane force, but that hurricane's moving up the coast. I never in my lifetime have heard of that in California. Fires, earthquakes for sure, but now hurricanes. Oh man. We're not only going to have the earthquake that splits California and half of it will go into the ocean, but the rest will be washed away with a hurricane. So, unbelievable. All right, I'm joking, of course. Okay. We have a little protection cap on there. Oh, yeah. That's a nice hard soap. We'll shear some off there. Put it into the bowl, the bottom of the bowl there. The bowl has the ridges, so it really will help to whip up the lather. Move this off to the side. Move the razor box off to the side. And let's get the shave started. Yeah, I got some nice emails from some of the viewers who live in Florida, and they said, hey, the hurricane's coming, Ken, if there's any advice you need. And wow, like I said, I never would have thought. Hurricanes now. We get tsunamis, but earthquakes, oh my goodness. All right. Whipping up really nice. Oh, I've also got an unboxing video coming. I bought the Apple, I think I mentioned it in my last video or 2 videos ago, the Apple iPods Max over-the-ear headphones. And I've been trying them out for 2 days now. In fact, I wore them for about 3 hours yesterday. And they're really good. And I have the unboxing video. They're about to come out with their new model, Apple is. But I got a reasonable deal on mine through Amazon, so I really enjoy them. I'll be doing an unboxing, so if you guys want to tune in, that's fine. And if not, I understand. Okay. Yeah, soap's nice and slick. Oh man, I almost hate to use this razor. It's so nice. It looks like solid gold. And it's heavy. Oh, it's nice and mild. Sometimes you need that. I think this is the timeless razor I own now. Customer service is great, and their shipping is very fast. Hear the feedback? I'm noticing I'm gripping the center. And that's my pinch point there. Yeah, so they're offering free sandbags. I'm just worried about water's going to come in underneath the my garage door and get to my pinball machines. My friend from work, Phil, he was born and grew up in New Orleans or Louisiana, and he saw the big hurricane and was 69, and Katrina just took their house. You know, their family home's gone, but he doesn't seem so worried right now. So, but he did say that I better take down my umbrellas, my patio umbrellas. He goes, or they might be in the next county. So yeah, I'll do that. Take the car covers off my vehicles, or they'll blow away too. So thank you for the well wishes. And I had a couple of people, when I was talking about I've been exposed to COVID again, and they go, COVID, is that still a thing? Why are you worried about that? Well, let me tell you, my aunt has it. She's 85. She's almost over with it. My sister has it. My nephew has it. My niece has it right now. And my brother-in-law has it. So it's making a big resurgence. And I don't want to catch it because I have kidney issues. My doctor says it could cause some problems. I think I nicked my neck there a little bit. All right. Yeah, very smooth. And the soap smells very good. Two passes do it for me. I notice my videos are averaging about 13 minutes now. So when they go over, sorry, or if they're shorter, sorry, it is what it is. I don't rehearse these, and it just happens. All right. Very nice. Maybe I didn't nick myself. Oh yeah, just slightly. Just slightly. All right. Now my favorite part. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Nice burn. Oof, nice burn. Very nice scent. All right. I'll see how long this scent lasts now. Very good. All right, well, there we have it. Another successful shave. Thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate your subscriptions and I appreciate you watching. And I'm getting ready to release that unboxing video probably shortly after this one. All right, until next time, stay safe. Happy shaving.